your guide for today. And today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Durga.
Hello everyone! Now I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Now Mitra, did you know that I have travelled from Scotland to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to see as many birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, Durga here is very passionate, but a little bit crazy.
Hey Mitra, I'm not crazy.
Crazy for birds?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, come, share with us how many birds have you seen?
Last year, I saw about 700 birds. And this year, I would like to break that record and see 1,000 birds or even more.
Wow! Hashtag show off.
Hey Mitra, why are you so mean today?
Okay, come. Let's all begin this journey by seeing some smart, colorful, and truly incredible wing friends. First up, South America! Let's go! So we will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride down the Tambo Panta River. You might see the footprint of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Now look around you! Of its kind in the world.
Everyone keep your eyes on up and let's welcome Adrian and Ferrari, our stylish macaws. Our macaws, they have sharp and pointy bills, which means they can eat unripe fruits. But there are toxins in those unripe fruits that are not good for the birds. So eating clay neutralizes the toxins. Now clay also have minerals like sodium that can't be found in their diet. Amazing, right?
That's right. So no upset tummies. Looks like the both of them are still enjoying their salty feast, so let's give them a big hand. Thank you.
Now I want to see more birds. Okay, so let's not stop. Let's keep going and head to Southeast Asia. Let's go.
Now everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds, over 400 avian species. Wow! Do you want to see more birds?
Yes, of course.
Yes, look at this! Go. So everyone, do you want to see more birds?
Yes, more birds.
No, but before we see more birds, let's talk about eggs, shall we? Now everyone, so Easter is around the corner, right? So all of you can actually participate in our digital egg hunt. Okay, so how are you going to do that? All you have to do is just scan that QR code, alright? And there are actually egg clusters around the park, okay? And you can also collect digital eggs, alright? So if you want to learn more about different types of eggs, their colors, species, and even shapes, do scan the QR code, okay? And once you collect all the digital eggs, you can get an exclusive Easter pin. That is a very cute pin, right? So please go on your digital egg hunt, okay? So while they are on the egg hunt, do you want to see more birds, Durga?
Yes, of course, Mitra.
Alright, so without further ado, let's welcome some friends of the park, shall we? Keep your eyes right up there. Come on, this way. Alright, so we have more birds. Okay, let me talk about... Okay, never mind. Durga, why don't you carry on first?
Okay, with me I have CK. Now CK here is a molten cockatoo. And molten cockatoos, they are also known as salmon crested cockatoos. Alright, and chicken here is about 15 years old.
And with me, I have Higgins, our green-winged macaw. Now, green wing macaws, they are one of the largest macaws in the world, and Higgins here, he is about 10 years old. Now, parrots, they usually mate for life, and they make devoted parents. Okay, so usually they will take advantage of big tree cavities to build their nest.
Alright, and they use nesting materials like tree barks. Let me show you tree barks, dried leaves, or even twigs. And they will drop it into the nestle. And if the nestle is too small, they will use their beaks to enlarge it. So everyone, let's watch them in action.
Alright, so let's go. Come on, Higgins. Do you want to fly here? Yes, well done. Okay, Higgins, it's your turn. There you go. You know what to do. Okay, so if you want to see what's happening on the inside, eyes on the screen. That is Higgins. That is Higgins. Very cute, right? And there you go. We're done. Let's give Higgins, CK, and their wonderful trainers a big round of applause. Thank you.
Okay, is that a rooster? A rooster here in the park? Where is the rooster? Oh, Mitra, look! That's the rooster!
No. That's not the rooster. There's your rooster.
Mitra, I am a birder. That is not a rooster, that's an Amazon parrot.
So you don't believe me?
No, I don't.
Okay, just stay there and you watch this, okay? Hi. You want to show Durga how you do the rooster? Rooster. High five. See the rooster?
Okay, I believe you now.
Okay, so everyone, meet Quincy and Amigo, masters of mimicry. Alright, Quincy, would you like to welcome everyone? Ready? Okay, don't talk with your mouth full, okay? Ready? Welcome them. You know what she said? She said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. We'll do this one more time, okay, Quincy? Can we do this again? Look at her standing on one leg. Quincy, come. One more time. Welcome them. There you go. Welcome to Parrot Paradise. Okay, let's try another animal sound, shall we? Can you show them how you do the cat? It's a very silent cat. Come on, Quincy. Cat. Cat. There you go. That's the cat. Okay, now how about the ringing telephone? Come on, Quincy. Telephone. There you go. Can we give Quincy a big round of applause? Thank you.
Our parrots, they imitate calls or sounds made by their family members in the wild. So if they copy human sounds, they are basically doing what they hear around them.
That's right. So in this case, both Quincy's and Amigo's family are our Mandai staff.
That's right. Okay, now everyone, let's watch Amigo in action, alright? Now Amigo, let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello?
Hello.
Very nice and sweet hello. Now he can say his own name, okay? So tell them your name.
Amigo.
Very cute, right? Alright, good job, Amigo. So Amigo, there are so many of them right here today. So how would you like to greet all these nice people?
Amigo.
Okay, he wants to introduce himself again. Okay, we all know that your name is Amigo, alright? So how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
He's asking how are you? So how are you all doing today? Good? Oh, that's very nice to hear. Alright, now Amigo can sing. Okay, Amigo is going to sing a birthday song. So by any chance, anyone celebrating your birthdays today? Raise up your hands if it's your birthday. Wow, I see a lot of out to all of you, alright? Ready, amigo? Let's sing. Happy birthday to you by amigo, and I must say that was pretty amazing, right?
That's right, but hold on everyone. Did you all know that Quincy here, she is 1 in 10,000. Amigo, 1 in 8 million. And what you usually get as a pet will be a bird just like Big John.
Hi, Big John!
Hi. Oh no! No, no, the screen! Go home. Bye-bye. Very loud, right? So please think twice. Actually, no, think about 100 times before you get yourself a pet parrot, okay? So with that, let's give Quincy and Amigo a round of applause. Thank you.
Each year, hundreds and thousands of these birds are sold in the pet trade, and as a result, they are critically endangered. These birds, they can live up to 50 years in captivity, and that is a lifetime commitment. So if you think that they will make good pets, sadly they won't.
That's right. So if you want to see all these beautiful birds, all you have to do is come down to the bird paradise, right?
Yes, that's right. So Mitra, what's next?
Rita, did you know that the Wings of the World presentation is sponsored by parrots?
Really? I didn't know that, but I do love Fruit Loops.
And this segment is brought to you by Fruit Loops. Alright, so in a very short while, we will be joined by our Fruit Loops ambassador, Elmo, our Tongo Toucan. Come on over here, Elmo. This way, come. Good afternoon, Elmo. Alright, so what Elmo is going to do for us is going to fly through our giant Fruit Loop. Alright, ready? Let's go!
Now, toucans, they are known for their incredible speed and agility. Their bodies are so flexible that they can fly through the gaps in the forest, just like our giant Fruit Loop. Alright, Emma, one more flight back to Mitra.
Over here, Elmo. Nice! And with that, let's thank Helen for sponsoring Wings of the World.
Now, right now, we are about to meet an iconic species of bird, and that is our Oriental pied hornbill.
Okay, so right there with Kelvin, we have Oris. Now, Oris here has a very heartwarming story. He fell out of his nest when he was a chick, and then he hurt his spine. Okay, so in the wild he wouldn't have survived, but right here at the bird paradise, we nursed him back to health, and he is now a safe, permanent home with us.
Wow, that's very nice to know. Now, toucans and hornbills, they have two major differences. Toucans, they can be found in Central and South America, and hornbills, they can only be found in Asia or Africa. And you can also see a distinctive feature over the hornbill's beak. That is called a cusp. It can be a small ridge or even big and brightly colored.
Anything else you want to share, Nusa?
Yes, of course. Let's talk about their feet. Now, both these birds, they are also great hoppers. So everyone, let's watch Oris hop. Hop, hop. There you go. Very cute. Alright, now toucans, they have 2 toes up front and 2 at the back. And hornbills, they have 3 toes up front with broad soles. And this also helps them with the strength and stability to go up and down branches. Okay, Vikram, now it's your turn.
Alright, let's talk about their tongues. Okay, so hornbills, they have shorter tongues, but both birds, they can actually toss fruits back into their mouths. So I'm going to toss some fruit for Elmo first. Ready? Catch!
Wow, very cute. Okay, Oris, your turn. There you go. Alright, well now both these birds, they are also known to catch insects mid-flight. So we are going to demonstrate that to you as well. Okay, so starting off with Elmo first.
Ready, Elmo? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, that was a perfect catch. Okay, Oris, your turn on the count of 1, 2, and 3. have an unusual nesting behavior. They like to nest high up on tree cavities, just like that one right up there. And right here in the bird paradise, you can see that behavior without even leaving your seats. Now from the smaller oriental pied hornbill, everyone, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Wow, what a beautiful sight. Now, great pied hornbills like Vicky, they are one of the largest that can be found in Southeast Asia. Now in Borneo, certain villagers believe that if a hornbill flies over their village, they will be blessed with good luck. Interesting, right? Now everyone can have a closer look at Vicky. And can you all hear that? Now that is a vocalization of a great pied hornbill. Now in a very short while, Vicky will be making her way up to the nest box. Now the female hornbills, they are very fussy about their accommodation. It needs to be spacious and needs to have a chimney so that they can escape if they want to. Oh, in she goes. Now once the female is inside, the male will then bring her mud. And then she will mix it with veg fruits or even her own droppings to create a strong seal. And with that, let's all welcome her mate, shall we? Keep your eyes right up there, let's welcome Sunny, another great pied hornbill.
Alright, so what Sunny is doing right now, he's gathering fruits to feed the female back in the nest cavity. So Sunny, whenever you are ready, you spread your beautiful wings and fly! Alright, so now we will be feeding the female through the very small gap. So if you cannot see this loving gesture, everyone take a look at the screen. Alright, so this is the female hornbill checking out the surroundings first, and if she likes it, then she hops right in. In she goes. And this is the male hornbill feeding the female through that small gap. So this nesting behavior is shared with nearly 62 species of hornbills in the world. And now it's time for Sunny to head back home. Everyone say bye, Sunny! And there you go, let's give her our great pied hornbills a round of applause. Thank you.
Now hornbills, they are under threat. The critically endangered helmeted hornbills are being hunted for their caste known as the red ivory. So what happened to elephants are now happening to these beautiful birds. And that is why I'm right here at Mandai, because Mandai Nature supports conservation efforts to help protect these endangered species. And as a birder, I love to see all these birds out in the wild, and also right here in wildlife parks where they get the best care possible.
Speaking of best care, hello everyone! My name is Kelvin from Mandai Bird Paradise. My team and I work hard to keep our birds enriched, engaged and active. In a short while, I'll be introducing you to some more of our beautiful birds. But before that, let's give a moment for the birder and the guide to get ready first. Looks like we're all set, so keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome our beautiful conures. Conures and blender on is an enrichment device. It is called a monkey fist. It is roped, tied into knots, and in these knots, we have hidden treats for the birds to forage. This helps them express their natural behaviors as they would in the wild. Conures, they originate from South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. In fact, over 800,000 of these birds are sold into the pet trade every year. Now, as you can see, the conures, they are social creatures. They prefer to stay in large flocks. So please, do not keep them as pets. Now, as you can see, there we have two types of conures on the monkey fish. We have the gender as well as the sun conure. Looks like they're quick to head back home. Let's give them a big hand, everyone.
Thank you very much, Kelvin, for sharing some insights about enrichment for our resident conures.
Now Pavitra,
Yes.
we have been to Asia,
Uh-huh.
we've been to South America, and I think it only makes sense to head to Africa.
Let's go! Now everyone, we are traveling through the marshlands of Kenya, Uganda and Ethiopia in the east coast of Africa. And for this segment, I need everyone's full cooperation to remain seated at all times. Do not reach out your hands again to touch the birds when the birds are flying, alright? So once again, please remain seated throughout this whole segment. Thank you.
And we are here to see a very special bird that can be found in lakes, lagoons, and ponds of Africa and Southern Arabia. Who are we talking about? Our pink-back pelican.
Now these birds, they use their massive bills and throat muscles to scoop up prey. Interesting, right? Once again, everyone, please sit down. Please copy the black tongue of the bird. Please just hold the bird there for a while, okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Please remain seated, okay? Thank you.
Did you know that this bird can fly thousands of miles for 24 hours without even stopping? And that's because they're large but lightweight.
Lightweight, but their wingspan from wingtip to wingtip can measure up to 9 feet long. About this long. Okay, so once again, everyone remain seated. Thank you very much. And it's time for Rose to head back home. Rose, all the way back there. Once again, let's give Rose a big round of applause. Thank you.
Alright, Miss Lau, before we carry on, let's push these heavy stumps back first.
Okay.
Right now, birds, they are everywhere. They are social or solitary. They are loving and fiercely protective of their young. They are smart and agile. And that is why they are also known as one of the strongest creatures on this planet. And that is also why, as a birder, I love traveling across continents to see them. Pavitra,
Yes.
do you know what would be great right now?
What is it, Durga?
To see birds from